Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the HP 470 G7 and what's inside of it. Once again, HP has tried to hide most of its precious screws with the help of the rubber stripes. However, they are easily removable with a flathead screwdriver, or preferably a plastic tool. After you do that, remove all of the Phillips head screws you see. Then, turn the laptop around and open the lid. This is where the prying process happens. Next, make your way around with a guitar pick, and remove the bottom panel from the chassis. Inside, you'll see a single, thick heat pipe, cooling both the CPU and the graphics card. Despite the fact we are talking about energy-efficient hardware, it is usually not a great idea to connect your two main heat sources. In terms of upgradability, the 470 G7 is well packed. There are two RAM SODIMM slots, which support up to 16 GB of DDR4 memory, working at 2666 MHz. Storage-wise, you can see an M.2 slot with PCIe X2 and SATA support, as well as a 2.5 SATA drive bay. As of the battery, there is a modest 41 Wh unit, powering the huge 17-inch screen. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.